Are you looking for a rural property close to town? This home might be it. I am at 5650 Poison Spider Road. This home has 4 bedrooms on the main level and 2 bathrooms. One of them is actually a master bath with a shower and a tub. Let's go look around. This kitchen has lots of cabinets, brand new Formica countertops, including a bar. And this home, including the kitchen, has been painted on the inside. Some new flooring and lots of other new things throughout. This large master bedroom has 2 closets and also an attached bathroom with a new shower surround and new linoleum.
One more thing I wanted to tell you is this home sits on over 3 acres, has a pole barn behind me, and an additional 2-car garage shop on the other side of the home. We would love to show you this great home. It can be purchased with as little as 0 down through rural development. Call or text us today. We want you to love where you live. Make it a great home buying and selling day.